Hey, this is Solid, and today we have Glide Ragnarok, Infinite Achilles, and Vex Lucius. These are known as the worst Beyblade trio. So what I mean by that is, Infinite Achilles for Hasbro has horrible slopes, so does Vex Lucius, and Glide hasn't been good in Sparking or Hasbro. So anyways, let's battle these three and see who is the absolute worst. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's rip. I've got one launcher, and I'm hoping I can pull this off. This disc just pulled a phoenix. But that will go to Vex Lucius. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Right, there goes Roktovor. And Achilles took out Lucius. Which... what? That will go to Roktovor. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Alright. Lucius. They need to take out Roktovor if they're going to win, and it goes to Roktovor. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, rip. 3, 2, 1, rip. Whoa! Did you see that? Achilles jumped over Lucius. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. All in there. That will go to Lucius for that one. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. A triple burst. Okay, next round. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Come on, Lucius. Whoops, I didn't launch it right on top of Roktovor. And there goes Lucius. I can't get him out. I can't get him out. That will go to Achilles. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Oh my gosh. Well, that will go to Roktovor. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So Lucius flew out of the stadium, if you guys saw that. And there goes Achilles. And it goes to Roktovor. 3, 2, 1, rip. Roktovor. Lucius. Achilles. And surprisingly, well, I was about to say no burst, but Lucius failed it. Alright, Roktovor. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Roktovor. Lucius. Get on, Achilles. And it still goes to Roktovor. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright. Got them all in there. And it goes to Roktovor once more. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Roktovor, Lucius, and Achilles. And that will go to Lucius. Alright, let's move on to the final round. Final round, let's go. And as the winner, it will be Achilles. Wow. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and tell me what Beyblades I should battle next. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.